In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a late fee to an invoice in FreshBooks. To get started, sign in to your FreshBooks account. Once you're logged in, head to the main navigation menu and select Invoices. This is where you'll manage invoice settings, including recurring invoice templates. Since late fees are configured on a recurring template, the next step is to open the recurring invoice template you want to edit. Make sure you choose the correct template, because the settings you apply here will affect invoices generated from that specific recurring setup. After opening the template, look for the Settings panel and click Charge Late Fees. This is the area where FreshBooks lets you control how overdue charges are handled automatically. When the late fee settings open, check the box labeled Automatically Add Late Fees to Overdue Invoices from this recurring template. Enabling this option tells FreshBooks to apply your selected late fee rule without needing to do it manually each time an invoice becomes overdue. Next, choose the type of late fee you want to use. FreshBooks gives you three options. You can select a percentage of the invoice value, which charges based on the original total amount. You can choose a percentage of the outstanding balance, which calculates the fee based only on what remains unpaid. Or, you can use a flat fee if you prefer to charge the same fixed amount each time. The right choice depends on how you want your late fee policy to work for your clients. Once you've selected the fee type, enter the percentage or fixed amount you want to charge. Be careful here and double-check the value, since this is what will be applied automatically to overdue invoices created from the template. If the late fee should be taxable, click Add Taxes and configure that setting as needed. This part is optional, so only use it if it matches your billing requirements. After that, set when the fee should apply by entering the number of days after the due date before the late fee is added. This is helpful if you want to give clients a grace period before any extra charge appears. When everything looks correct, click Done to save the late fee settings. Then click Save in the top right corner to save the recurring template itself. As a final check, confirm that Charge Late Fees is enabled for the recurring template so you know the configuration was applied successfully. That's it. Thanks for watching.